Hello my old school soul food family, Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Hey y'all, I'm gonna do a quick video of I had posted this earlier this week, one of my guilty pleasures, something I eat maybe a couple of times a month, not even that. Some Mexican, this is Mexican street corn. When I make it in the bowl, most Mexican street corn you'll see is you'll see most of the time is on the cob. So I discovered this years ago, over 30 years ago when I moved to Houston, that you can get it in the cup and it eats so much better, y'all, than being messy trying to eat off the cob. So what I do, I'm getting this corn on. I take sweet corn. I'm gonna put the recipe on the description of the video. I take frozen, I use frozen corn. I don't use the corn in the can because it has too much salt in it. That's another thing, you gotta be very careful. But when I heat this corn up, I'm gonna put a little water in here. That's all I'm gonna put. Just a little water in here, just enough to liquefy it and get it boiling. I put no salt, no seasoning, no nothing in this corn. Number one, the cheese the cotija cheese has salt in it. The butter I'm using has salt in it. Mayonnaise has salt in it. The hot sauce has salt in it. So I'm not going to salt the corn at all. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let this come to a boil. I got my corn over here. I got a little water in it, just enough to make it boil. Here. Just enough. And you know the corn has enough water and liquid in it also. So while I'm letting that boil, I'm going to get my bowl out that I use. And and I like this because it's so quick and easy, y'all. Very quick and easy to put together. If y'all have a Trader's Village in your area, some of the best street corn in the cup come from Trader's Village. I go maybe once a month over there to Trader's Village. Maybe I'll do a video one day. They have the best Mexican street corn served in the cup over there. So I'm gonna step off. It's gonna take about 5 minutes. I'm gonna bring this corn up to a complete boil, and I'll come back when it's boiling, and I'm gonna show you how I put this together. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back. Okay, now y'all see how much water I got in here? Not much. I added water, and you know the corn has water in it also when it's frozen. And like I said, I like to use the sweet corn, the nice sweet corn you get in the freezer section. I do not use the one in the can because the one in the can is loaded with salt. So I don't use that. So this is what I'm fixing to do. Now I'm going to simmer this thing together. This is so quick, y'all. This is like a midnight snack for me sometimes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back over here to the bowl. I'm going to show y'all what I do. I use a spoon with a perforated spoon. Get as much as the juice out of it because you don't want any water in this. You don't want any water in there. Try to drain as much water off of it as I can. Spread it out. This thing is smoking hot there. Okay, now, next thing I do, I take my butter slices. You can put as much as butter as you want on it. Like I say, y'all, I don't eat this a lot because this is all calories here, buddy. All calories. Okay, got my butter on there. Now I put my mayonnaise. Y'all probably say this is crazy, man. When I saw this when I saw this, I said they must be crazy. This stuff gonna taste disgusting. I grew up where you put butter on corn. That's it. Now I put the cotija cheese on there. I like a lot of cheese on mine. Then I put my Cholula hot sauce. I like a lot of hot sauce on mine. Cholula hot sauce. And that's it. That's Mexican street corn like I like it in the bowl, y'all. Very simple. See how easy that was? Now I'm going to step off just a second, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how I eat it. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Now, all I do, y'all, I let the heat do its thing. You know the heat going to melt all that butter. The heat going to melt that cheese, the heat from the corn. It's gonna melt that cheese. I just mix it all up together just like this, y'all. That's how I do it. Like I said, I wouldn't suggest eating this every day. Some people do, but I don't. Let's check this out. Like I said, y'all, you're gonna have to add no salt to this. You got the saltiness of the cheese, saltiness of the mayonnaise, the butter. I'm good eating here. Check it out. My secret pleasure right there, y'all. Like I say, I go to Trader's Village like once a month. Get this in a big old cup, big glass of have that real lemonade in that big old container. Homemade lemonade. Wow. That's all I need, y'all. But I just want to share this little video with y'all. You probably never seen it. Maybe you have seen it before. This stuff is so good. But anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please comment. Please give it a thumbs up. Please share. And please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag this year, 2021, is Help Somebody Old School Soul Food. So until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.